Go.
It's a gingerbread Christmas. It's a gingerbread Christmas. We're stirring up some fun. We only just begun. So come on, each and everyone. Have some gingerbread Christmas this year. Now we're baking up cookies. Not some Christmassy cookies. So hurry, don't be late. We simply cannot wait. We really love to decorate. Lots of Christmassy cookies.